Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to LJOLUSESI. In my last video I did a Charlie's nail art haul. I said that I was going to do Charlie's and Smileys, but the video went on for too long, so I am back in this video to show you what I got from Smileys. I haven't ordered from Smileys for I don't know, well over a month, so let's show you these first. These are so cute. Take one out to show you. So these are them clusters. So you've got some like AB crystals. There is like that pink opal. There's a pink and a gold, and then a pearl. Not a fan of a pearl, but I think this will look cute on a nail. So I got myself 2 of those, and then this has to be my favourite. Beautiful, really beautiful. So we have another cluster. Oh, I've just noticed this. Yeah, this is a butterfly, which I didn't know that was just chilling there. And then we have a square, I want to say like a champagne-y kind of crystal. We have a pink, 2 silver ones, and then this beautiful star on the top. How gorgeous is that? Love that a lot. So that is those, and then I got 2 foils. I'll show you the foils first. So I got this Mickey Mouse Yves Saint Laurent foil, which is brown. But he's cute, I love him. And then I saw this one. Oh, I wonder what that said. It says Bellissimo. So we have Mickey Mouse with his Gucci hat on, some stars, and there's some Gucci logos. Personally, I wouldn't use this on myself. I got it for my daughter because she loves a bit of Gucci. So I got those. Let me put you here. Oh. And then I got this holographic stickers. I wanted them really for the lips. But yeah, they come in all different colours. Obviously I chose the red, but we have Cupid, and there's some high heel shoes. This says kiss, lots of love hearts, and some juicy lips. So they are lovely. Now onto the glitters. I will show you the pots first. Now there's 2 glitters in here which are not for myself, so this one I will take that out because I know she watches my videos. So we have Chameleon Blast. To be honest, I think I've got, no, I haven't got it. I don't have this one. That's pretty. I'm not a fan of the pots. I've got so many of these pots. Near enough overflowing now. I just like getting the bags, whereas before I just used to get pots. So just a little free gift as a thank you for your order. How adorable. I love a free gift. Fiery Fuchsia. Oh, that's pretty. So, yeah, it's a fuchsia, holographic. Pretty, I don't have that. Bonus. And then Bubble World, I definitely don't have this one. Can you hear that? That is so loud. It's one of them Ring doorbells. I need one for my house, you know that. Oh. Okay, so we have, oh gosh, them bloody strands. I'm not really a fan of those, but they're this is a neon pink fine glitter, and then there's different sized and different coloured circles and them strands. Is a cute mix. There's a lid. Right, now onto these. There's one in here that there's one in here that I bought for someone, so I don't want to show that. Okay, I don't know why I bought this one. I really don't know, but it's a champagne and they are small hexagons. It's pretty, I just don't know why I bought it. Excuse me. Right, I bought Clove Patch. Now this is a fine white iridescent glitter with some small hexagons. And then if you see here, we have some green holographic 4-leaf, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4-leaf clovers. Don't have any of those, so I thought, why not? Then we have this funky one, Cashmere Rose. There's a pink, like a fuchsia pink, a green and a blue, and they are different sized hexagons. I don't have any glitter like this, which I thought was cute. And then I got Coconut Ice, which is a mixed white and pink iridescent glitter, and it oh, see a big circle, and then some smaller hexagons. Oh, and there's some mylar in it. See that? Pretty. That's Coconut Ice. And then lastly I got Easter Bonnet. Now this is a pink and a yellow. It's more of a metallic. Yeah, it's a metallic, so they are some medium, small and mini hexagons. Don't have anything like that, and it will be cute for spring. So that is it for my haul today. I didn't get much, only because I bought so much bloody glitter from HCS nail supplies, and I just wanted to get a few bits. There's no reason for it, but you know me. Anyway, I am off. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. take care of yourselves, and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.